Hello viewers, today I am making biryani, a special kind of biryani of the Sindh region, the province Sindh in Pakistan. It's called Sindhi Biryani. So these are the ingredients. I have done prepping: one cut up chicken and one medium chopped onion, two little bit bigger than medium sized tomatoes, like they call them wine tomatoes on wine, something like that, and green chilies. This is biryani masala, half cup yogurt, almost 700 grams rice basmati, and two big potatoes. So this biryani masala is it contains a lot of spices in it. It has a special aroma when you cook it. So it's very difficult to gather all the ingredients. So I show you, yes. So this is the packet of, so the brand is Laziza. We have to wait until the onions are caramelized. They are light golden. Then we start adding the meat, potatoes, and we stir fry the chicken. Today I'm cooking in a different way. We are not putting garlic or ginger in this biryani. So the packet I was showing of the brand Laziza, it can be bought in any international Indian store. It can be bought online. It can be bought on any Middle Eastern grocery store. These branded spices give a perfect flavor to our recipes. So the onions are golden brown, and I turn this noise off. I will add chicken, and the flame should be on medium. Potatoes as well. And cook it for at least 10 minutes. The potatoes, we have to fry it. I mean, we're supposed to stir fry them. We're not supposed to deep fry them. And after 10 minutes we will add the masala, biryani masala. I have cooked biryani in a very typical Punjabi style all my life. Today I wanted to try in a different way. Turn up the heat a little bit. Okay. Now I'm about to add the biryani masala. mix it well. So the garlic and ginger is already added in a powdered form for our convenience, I think. This is plain yogurt. Just added green chilies and I will let it cook. After I cover the chicken. Okay. I'm using this pan because it's made of cast iron. Cast iron is, I keep doing research, what is best for cooking, what is health-wise. So I have ordered some clay pots as well. And this is cast iron, so the food cooks in, gives us a sufficient amount of iron, which is really important for our health. So now I'm going to cover it. Adding the tomatoes. I transfer the chicken in a bigger pot and garnish it with tomatoes, and I'm going to cover it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Here is the water boiling and we will boil the rice. I will add like 1 tablespoon salt in it. I will cook the rice until half done. The rice will be boiled in the boiling water. I added salt first and then now I'm adding the rice. It will, in a few minutes they will be done, like half done. We don't have to overcook them. Just be conscious when you're boiling the rice. Now they will be boiled and we will add the rice and the chicken. We will garnish it with coriander and mint leaves if we, let's see if we have it. In the start in the past I have really overcooked rice sometimes, and today I was really conscious. It boiled like for a few minutes. Put the pre-soaked rice will pre-soak for half hour. Then boil the water, add some salt, add the rice, and then they're gonna be beautifully cooked. Now I'm going to cook it. I don't have mint and green coriander, so I think it's gonna be still good. So they're gonna cook on low heat, and please try this recipe and I worked really hard in detail. Please let me know how you liked it.